Did you know that a staggering 70% of people have difficulty dealing with aggressive behavior in social situations? It's a startling fact, but aggression is an all too common behavior in our society. It can take many forms, from verbal outbursts to physical confrontation, and it can significantly impact our interpersonal relationships. Whether at work, in our personal lives, or in public spaces, this pervasive issue affects a vast majority of us. Clearly, dealing with aggression is a universal challenge. But why does this matter? Let's delve into the impact of aggression on our personal well-being. Aggression can be a pervasive part of our daily lives, manifesting in various circumstances. You might face it at your workplace, where a colleague or a boss uses harsh words or domineering attitudes. Or you may encounter it in social settings, where individuals resort to aggression to assert their dominance. Even at home, aggressive behavior can rear its ugly head, creating a hostile environment. In all these scenarios, dealing with aggressive individuals can be a daunting task. It's not just about the immediate discomfort. The repercussions go deeper. The emotional toll can be heavy, making us feel belittled, disrespected, or even threatened. Psychologically, it can lead to stress, anxiety, and a decrease in self-esteem. Over time, these negative emotions can accumulate, affecting our mental health significantly. These situations can be draining and stressful, affecting our overall mental health. So, how can you make an aggressive person respect you? Let's dive into some strategies that can help you navigate these tricky waters. The first strategy is maintaining composure. When faced with aggression, it's easy to respond in kind, but that rarely leads to a positive outcome. Instead, strive to keep your cool. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions, but rather managing them in a way that maintains your dignity and respect. The second strategy is setting clear boundaries. Aggressive individuals often push against the limits to see how far they can go. It's crucial to establish your boundaries and stick to them. This might mean stating clearly what behavior you will not tolerate, or stepping away from a conversation if it becomes too heated. Remember, your well-being comes first. Now, on to the third strategy, assertive communication. This is a powerful tool that involves expressing your thoughts and feelings honestly, yet respectfully. It's about standing up for yourself without stepping on others. When communicating assertively, use I statements instead of you statements. For instance, say, I feel disrespected when you raise your voice, rather than you're always shouting at me. This approach takes ownership of your feelings and reduces the chance of the other person becoming defensive. Importantly, while standing your ground, remember to be respectful and understanding. Aggression often stems from unmet needs or unresolved issues. Try to see the situation from the other person's perspective. This doesn't mean tolerating disrespect, but rather fostering empathy. By understanding their viewpoint, you can address the root cause of the aggression and pave the way for mutual respect. Lastly, don't forget the power of confidence. People tend to mirror the energy around them. If you project confidence, others are likely to respond in kind. Confidence here doesn't mean arrogance, but a belief in your worth and abilities. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Show the world, and especially the aggressive individuals, that you respect yourself. Remember, it's all about demonstrating confidence, empathy, and assertiveness. With these strategies, you can not only handle aggressive individuals effectively, but also earn their respect. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've taken a deep dive into the unsettling reality of aggression in our everyday lives. It's pervasive, and it's something that many of us struggle to handle effectively. We've acknowledged the impact it can have on our well-being, and we've underscored the importance of not just managing, but also gaining respect from these aggressive individuals. We've explored ways to navigate these choppy waters. Remember, maintaining your composure is paramount. It's all about staying calm, even in the face of intense aggression. We've also touched on the importance of setting clear boundaries. Don't let someone else's aggression blur the lines of your personal space. And then there's assertive communication. It's about standing your ground, expressing your thoughts and feelings openly and respectfully, and not letting aggressive individuals intimidate you. It's a powerful tool in your arsenal. But most importantly, we've discovered the power of confidence, empathy, and assertiveness in our interactions. Confidence sends a clear message that you respect yourself. Empathy helps us understand the aggressive person's perspective, which can often diffuse tension. And assertiveness, well, it's the perfect balance between aggression and passivity. It's about standing up for yourself without stepping on others. So, remember these strategies, practice them, make them a part of your daily interactions. Because respect isn't just handed to us on a silver platter, we earn it. By implementing these strategies, you can navigate challenging social situations more effectively and foster healthier relationships. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights. We invite you to share your experiences and strategies dealing with aggression in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on effective communication. Remember, respect is a two-way street. Stay assertive, stay respectful, and most importantly, stay confident. Until next time.